database records Panama officially announced in 2H10 hourly Vietnam. Association of International Investigative Journalists (ICIJ) officially announced a series of data about companies' casings. Bogus companies established in foreign countries worldwide. For Vietnam, ICIJ's data show that 19 companies established in the guise involving foreign individuals and organizations in Vietnam over the past 40 years, of which 7 companies are present Panama's profile. At the same time, the ICIJ database also mentioned 189 individuals and organizations have been linked to these companies in both database records from Panama and offshore leaks. However, the use of foreign companies are not purely criminal acts and some lawful purpose. At the same time, it appears in this list does not mean that these companies and the legal representatives had violations of the provisions of the laws of the country. Profile Panama is considered a data leak biggest in world history. Accordingly, dated the 4th of March 2016, about 11.5 million documents, including email 4.8 million. 2.5 million sets of records with 2.6 terabytes of capacity from 1977 to the end of 2015 of the company Mossack Fonseca laws in Panama leaked, revealing the company's network that the world giant. These companies are to be established to help rich people evade taxes and, in some cases, money laundering. Many companies in question related to the confidant of politicians and celebrities around the world. Immediately after the list of individuals and organizations in Vietnam in Panama records appear, turn entrepreneurs like Han Nguyen, Nguyen Thi Phuong Thao. 1 No. Ms. Dambich 2, former director of ANZ Bank, is one of the first character to speak out about appearing in Panama with Zing.vn. Profile. According to her, the name of this profile is normal because she is the CEO of ANZ and ANZ is also leader, VTRAC International Leasing Company, a financial company under this bank. Number 2. After Ms. Dambich 2, Nguyen Dai Hung, chairman of Saigon Securities Company, SSI, also spoke on the record appeared in Panama. According to him, the investment company was abroad when the licensing authorities is absolutely normal. Number 3. Vietjet Air General Director Nguyen Thi Phuong Thao said, her name and some other leaders of Sovietco presence in Panama is normal profile by the corporation. Before that, international companies undertook acquisitions. They established a number of other companies abroad. Number 4. Jonathan Han Nguyen, chairman of IPP, said that he has a stake in 2 companies in the list. However, a company exists only in 6 months because the business does not work, now also return the stake. The second company was also his business to buy shares but not wholly owned. According to IPP boss, the purchase of shares of these companies are operating normally because he is an international investor. Number 5. Talking with Zing.vn the same day personally appeared list. Vietnam held in Panama records. Pham Trong Dat, director of anti-corruption, government inspector, said, because sources are collected from international gatherings should appraise and evaluate. Then report to the government and Gen Steering Committee review. Number 6. According to Vietnam Vu Nguyen, chairman of the Committee National Finance Supervision, the Panama named in the records have not been able to confirm is not violated. The expert said that the need to view individuals or organizations that transfer money overseas have to invest, business or legal deposit, and whether to make its tax obligations in the process of implementing or not. Number 7. In the perspective of Trong Van Phuoc, deputy chairman of the National Financial Supervision, the relevant authorities such as the Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Planning and Investment and the State Bank should coordinate inspection review individuals or organizations mentioned above have made mistakes or not. Number 8. At the same point of view, Mr. Sao Kiem, former governor of the State Bank of Vietnam, also said that the government and the Ministry of Public Security, the judiciary, even on the right bank, the way domestic and international law helped to clarify the incident. the individuals and organizations named in the records of Panama, according to Mr. Kim, a channel for stakeholders to understand clearly